Hi everyone. Today we are about to do a full body Pilates workout. So let's get started. We're going to start by sitting on the mat and we're just going to roll our spines down vertebrae by vertebrae, reaching our arms over our heads and then bringing our arms up to 90 and peeling our spines up, pulling the navel in and reaching for our toes and sitting up tall. Again, tucking the pelvis under, really feeling each bone touching the mat and reaching our arms over our head and exhaling to peel and deepen and C-curve over ourselves to sit tall. Two more like this. We're tucking the pelvis right underneath. We're reaching our arms over and then bringing them directly over our chest to articulate the spine back up and reaching for our feet, sitting up tall. One more. The pelvis peels down. It's like you're trying to imprint yourself into the sand, and as you come up, it's like you're leaving your mark behind as you roll everything on top of each other to sit up tall. From here, we're just going to go back down, bring our arms to our sides, bring one leg up to the ceiling, flex the foot that's on the mat, and make small circles with our foot on the ceiling or the sky. So we're going to do 10 in each direction, and exhale 5. Shoulders are long and down. 3, 2, 1 more, and reverse it. You're going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, really moving the leg. 6, 5 in the hip socket. 4, 3, trying to keep the pelvis still. 2 and 1, lowering the leg and bringing the other one up directly to 90, trying to flex the opposite foot and making small circles on the ceiling, keeping our pelvis still for 4, 5, shoulders are relaxed. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Reverse it, really pulling the navel in. 2, 3, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lowering the leg down and putting our feet on the mat. You're going to tuck the pelvis under and roll up into a bridge and articulate the spine back down from that bridge position. So you're peeling your spine up bone by bone like you did as you were rolling up, but now you're doing it in the opposite direction and planting your feet into the mat, tucking the pelvis under as you roll up. Press your arms into the ground so you get some extra leverage, and lowering each spine bone down segmentally. Let's do 3 more. You're rolling it up, long neck, feel the length, and then tucking it down, releasing at the bottom, and 2 more, peeling it up, 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 and keeping those glutes tight. 1 more, and melting that all the way down. From here, we're going to have our arms at our sides and we're going to do the 100. So you can keep your feet on the mat, or you can bring them into tabletop, or you can straighten them, whichever feels good for you. I'm going to keep them at a 90-degree tabletop position, and you're going to pump, inhaling through your nose and exhale out your mouth. 2, and exhale. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Long neck. And 5. And exhale. Straighten the legs. 4. And exhale. 3. And exhale. 2. And exhale. Last one. And exhale. Good. Lower it down. Give yourself a hug. Shake it left to right. And from here, we're going to go into the ab series. So we're going to start. We're going to bring one leg in and switch. We're only going to do 5 of each. So exhale 2 and 3, 4, and 5. Staying lifted, you're going to be a ball and open for 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. Good. And we're going to go into single legs. You're going to go 1 and pull, 2 and reach long neck, 3 and 4 and 5. Yes. Lower the head, bring your hands underneath your butt, lift and lower as low as you can and bring it up. And 2, keep the belly pulling it. And 3, shoulders are long, neck is long. 4, one more. And 5, lower it down, hands behind the head. We're going to twist. And 1, 2, lifting that shoulder. 3, and 4, reaching. And 5, and hug it up, sitting up tall. From here, where have your arms, one foot is right in front of the other, so the left foot is down, the right foot is crossed right underneath it, and you're going to sit up into a triangle position. So you're going to kind of lift and lower it down. And we're lifting. Takes balance. No one said this was easy. I'm going to lower the mic. And 3. And down, really trying to keep your feet on the mat. 4. And down. And 5. Whew, feeling that in my obliques. Each side is different. This is not my better side. So bringing that foot, the right foot is down, the left foot is behind it. And you're going to lift, whoop, and look under. And again, we lift, and under. Trying to ground our feet, find the stretch, find the length in your torso, and your shoulders remain down. Great. From here, we're going to have our bodies resting on the side. We're going to have our elbow right underneath our shoulder. We're going to have our feet long, and you're just going to lift up and down, keeping a space. 2, 3, breathing. 4, trying to keep our hips stacked. 5, 6, 2 more. 7 and 8, we're making circles. We go 1 and 2, long neck, shoulders are down, navel is in. 4, I think we're 5, 6, 7, breathing. 8 and reverse. 1, 2, we're doing 8 of everything. 3, 4, why? Because 8's a fun number. 5, 6, 7, 8. And kicking it forward and pulling it back. Really find the movement in your hip. This is not about keeping it still, this version. This one is just about moving and feeling the rhythm and our breath. I think we're at 5 and 6, reaching, and 7. One more, 8. Shake it out, lie onto your stomach, put your head down. Breathe into your hands, and you're going to have your palms, your forehead is right on your palms. You're going to lift and lower it down. Pressing your stomach in, lifting your chest, and lowering it down. And 3. And down. Exhale, lift, and down. Really try and keep everything still. And lift. Can you reach your arms long and paddle with the arms? Breathe, feel those shoulder extensors. Whew. And bring them back, then bring them forward. We're still lifted and down with the pulling of the back, and you lift higher and then lower it down. 3, we lift higher, lower it down, and higher, down, really trying to keep the shoulders down and not reaching away, but pulling them back. 1 more like this. And, put the hands underneath. And it's time to go to the other side. So hand, elbows right underneath the shoulder once again. Feet are stacked. You're going to go up and down. 2, 3, keeping the hips still. 4, abs are in. 5, 6, 7, one more. 8, we go 1 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We reverse. We go 1 and 2, trying to keep the hips still. 3, 4, 5, I'm shaking. 6, 7, are you? And kicking it forward and back. We go 2 and back, hinging from the hip. 3, but moving with the waist. And 4. Woo, I'm falling. 5 and 6, 7, one more. 8. Nice, lowering the feet onto the mat. Give them a little shake. We're gonna put our feet on the floor. Our hands are pointing back. We're gonna lift up, open the chest, and lower it down. Now, if this is uncomfortable, you can turn the palms over. You can also put your hands down in fist. If you have wrist problems and they're weak, you can go like this. I prefer to go like this. So pointing my fingers back, keep those shoulders down, open the chest, hold it, breathe, and lower it down. Flex the feet on the bottom. So you point as we lift and flex as we lower. Once you lower, sit up tall. Point and flex. 2 more, we point, open the chest, stomach is in. And last one. Now can you lift a leg and lower, switch and lower. Again, we lift, keep those hips still and lift. 2 more and 1. Last one. And again, lowering it down, flex the feet, reach for your toes for a stretch. Pull on your feet if you can, or your ankles. Straighten the spine. And cross your legs. Bring your arms over your over your head. Breathe into your hands. Open them back out to the sides. Put your hands on your chest. Inhale through your nose. Feel your heartbeat and exhale out your mouth. That was a full body Pilates flow. I feel my heart rate up and I feel energized, and I hope you feel the same. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.